Now that was easy. You have now written down the 4 aims. Let's look at what the guidelines are for these 4 aims of Elda 2, because we need to supply a conducive environment so that this child can grow in letting to know his identity and where he belongs. In the NCF, I am going to go through some of the guidelines of these aims. There are 4 aims. The one is that children are aware of themselves as capable and confident learners. Children have a strong sense of self-care. At this time, you see, as they grow, they want to do things by themselves. Children start building strong relationships with adults and with other children. Children have a sense of group identity and a sense of celebrating differences. So they are working out for themselves who are they with all their special traits and where do they belong. And as they find out who they are and what they like, they also start making special friends. So the children are aware of themselves. Babies become aware of themselves through cooing and babbling and exploring their bodies. They explore their bodies, for instance, by sucking onto their fists and trying new movements and kicking their feet in the air and laughing. They become aware of others because they listen to you. You can see how their eyes are following you. They are looking at other people around them, recognizing people around them. The young children become aware that if they call, someone will come and attend, especially babies. As they see that you come and nurture them and they call you again, they see you come again. And so trust can be built between the child and the adult. The toddlers start learning new skills as you allow them in the playroom to do certain activities. They become curious about people, and then young children want to show independence. I want to do it myself. Me, let me. They show independence by doing that. And as they grow older, 4, 5, 6 years old, they can spend longer times on activities as their skills and their independence grow. So towards grade R, they become aware of their own feelings. They can start naming feelings and they show empathy. Children have a strong sense of self-care. Babies communicate their hunger. They tell you, I'm hungry, and then they cry, or they point to something that they want. Older babies will communicate their needs by pointing to what they need. Toddlers want to help with routine tasks like cleaning and dressing themselves. The children show their likes and their dislikes, especially food. Young children want to do things by themselves and they show pride in their achievements. They learn to take care of their personal hygiene, washing hands, wanting to brush their own teeth. When they go to the potty, they will start wanting to be independent and clean themselves. Aim 3 is that children build strong relationships. Babies are social. They want to be they do not want to be alone. They show attachment to people. They seek attention and contact. And toddlers' social skills increase through contact with others and they seek company. Young children work towards building friendships and show self-control. They can play and work in groups. And towards grade R, they can follow simple rules when working with others. And they start understanding there is a right and a wrong way to behave. Towards grade R, they start choosing specific friends which they want to play with. Aim 4, group identity and differences. Babies can show awareness of things that are different and might show fear or excitement. If they see there's something new in the surroundings, it might either make them afraid or scared or fearful, or they might be excited of something new that they do see. Toddlers learn that they are lovable and likable. and this develop resilience. Young children become aware of differences in language and culture, and towards grade R, they can understand that differences exist and that it must be respected. Just look at these lovely pictures. I was just sent this week after a culture day in one of the local schools in the Paarl area, where the children was asked to dress up of something from their culture, so that they can also be aware of the different cultures.